What's up, guys? It's another day, and we're gonna be trying to remove the leftover glue. I've got some wire connected to a power drill. I don't know what to use for that, so I've got some epoxy and lacquer thinner. I don't know. We'll see what happens with this. If not, I'll use some alcohol. See what happens. We'll see. Sweet. So I don't think I need to use any thinner or anything like that. I'm pretty much just grinding it down to metal so I could possibly spray this trunk later on. Looks good. I'm just using the grinder on it. Shouldn't take too long. Pretty easy work. I'm just gonna do the trunk since that's gonna be covered by the seat delete over there in the back seat. So yeah, let's go ahead and carry on with this. And once we're done, yeah, I guess that's about it actually. So yeah, if you guys want to know what it is exactly that I'm using, is basically this little wire brush connected to the drill. Just bought it on Amazon. There's nothing much to it, pretty cheap stuff. And just like that, just need to vacuum up some of it, but most of the glue is grinded away. Just did this and this. I'm not going to film the rest of it because I'm in a hurry, but anyways, oops. I just want to thank you guys for tuning into the vlog. Paint and everything else like that, cage install, seat delete, will be covered in another vlog. So thanks again for watching. Please keep up with my build. Like, subscribe, comment if you guys have any suggestions. Oh damn, look at my fender right there, looking glossy. Anyways, love, peace, and rumble. We'll see you guys next time.